Hello there, friends. Welcome back to my office. I just got back from a shopping trip with Mr. Saga, and so I thought it would be fun to unbox some perfume together. They gave us a few samples here. We've got the Bleu de Chanel Eau de Parfum. We also got this one, Chanel Coco Mademoiselle. Not a particular favorite of mine, so I'll be passing this one along to one of my friends or family members. They also gave us some skincare samples. Looks like a serum. Okay, now for the moment of truth. So this is what I picked up today at the store. Chanel Gabrielle. And this is the Essence Flanker. I specifically had been planning to get Chanel Gabrielle for quite a while. I wanted to get a special perfume to commemorate a milestone in my life. And for this particular shopping trip, I wanted to try different versions of the perfume to see which flanker was the one for me. And it's a bit sweeter than the original Chanel Gabrielle, and I'm finding that it's also longer lasting on my skin. Let's go ahead and open it up. There we go. No notes listed on the back, just the ingredients. Inside view of the box, very pretty. There we are. What a gorgeous bottle is that. So pretty. Just a lovely, like, floral bouquet. Like, it's that light, woody, musky kind of base that Chanel does so well. Just a lovely, very... I could see myself wearing this in a variety of situations and times. Okay, let's put Gabrielle on the shelf next to her sister, Chanel No. 5. Perfect.